Hi guys! May regalo si Apam sa akin sa aming anniversary. Bubuksan ko. Buksan natin guys. La 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 la.
That looks kind of like the one I already got you, doesn't it?
Hala guys, ang ganda ng regalo.
Is that the one I already got you? The same one?
No.
I was going to say, I think it's different because it's got different sleeves.
Honey, I like it. Hello
Yeah?
guys.
You
Hello.
like?
Guys, green na dress. Hello guys.
You like it?
Yes.
I thought you like it for when we go out.
Yeah, I like to
So-
wear this one when we go out.
Because I thought you like it because when we go
Guys,
out
oh,
when we
bak-
go, honey, I thought you want it maybe for when we go out for the anniversary. I mean,
Yeah. I'm
then you
gonna wear
have
this one.
a new pretty dress to
Yeah.
wear.
Okay, so, ayan, dress guys. Bigay ni Apom. Regalo sa aming anniversary. La 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 la. O, di ba?
Anniversary present, you gotta wait till Friday, okay?
Okay. Uy, meron pa palang isa akong regalo. Ang ganda guys, oh. Suotin ko daw sa aming anniversary. Chi, 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 chi. Abangan nyo, suotin ko to sa ating vlog. I love you. Hi mga guys! Si Kapiskot ito for today's vlog. Ako ay mag-open ng another blessing regalo ni Honey sa aming anniversary. Ito po siya guys, oh. Ayan. Ating aabrihan. Aabrihan! What is this? Aabrihan ako, okay? Aabrihan ko na. Oh, di ba? Ganun lang yan. Basta masabtan ninyo, okay na yan. Oops! Uy, Ginoo! Uy, Ginoo, ano ba to box? This is the box. Wow! What is inside the box? What inside the box? Hala! Aabrihan natin, Ginoo. Parang kuan man ito. Na, hindi ko alam ang laman nito mga kapiskot. What is the laman nito ba? Let's see. Open it. Open. What's inside the box? Ayan. Aabrihan natin guys. Ampingan na to. Kay box ba yan siya? Wow, look at that! Nakita nyo ang nakita ko? Hulaan ninyo kung ano ito. What inside the box? Asa man ang... Hala guys! Panibagong regalo. Last year, yung binili ni Honey sa akin regalo, hindi ko nasuot. Hindi ko pa nasuot. Ngayon, binilhan ako niya. Ayan, binilhan. Biskot guys! Another necklace na naman ata ito. Mahilig man si Apa magbigay ng necklace. Dalawang necklace. Diba? Uy,
Freshwater pearl.
Freshwater pearl?
Yeah.
Wow, freshwater pearl?
Yes.
Wow, guys! Pearl pala ito. Honey said this is the water pearl. Oh, pearl. Oh, ito yung pendant. Ayan, binuksan ko yung pendant. This is the pendant. Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Then, let's see the necklace. Hala, guys. Oy, si Honey talaga, guys. Mahilig man magbigay ng kuan. Ito palang pendant niya, oh.
I haven't even seen it yet. I only saw pictures.
Really?
Yes, I want to see it.
Come and see it.
Well, I'm doing pictures right now. If you could bring here, I can see it.
Hang on, because I'm gonna put Guys, bear me guys ha. Kaya na, Ginoo ko guys. Sana man ni guys. Oy, mahirapan man tayo kalisod na to. Ito guys, hindi na ako magbili-bili nito guys kasi binilhan naman ako ni Apam. So, ay! Ay! Lord Jesus! Kain pa guys, nahulog na. So, ayan na guys. Nataod na natin ang necklace. Ayan. Fresh water pearl. Ayan. Ito yung regalo ni Apam. Ayan o. Oh. Regalo ni Apam. Mahilig siya magregalo nito. Ayan. Tanggapin ko lang guys kasi hindi man tayo pwedeng mag-ask, no? Kung anong regalo niya, tanggapin natin. Oh, maganda man ito. Pangkuan man ito ba? Pang rampa ba? Rampa pam pam. Alam ninyo mga kana, mahilig sila sa ganito. Oo. Ang ganda kaya guys, oh. Look at that. Oh, did you see that? Oh, ang ganda, oh. Yay. You know that? So, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna wear this. Tomorrow Huh? You like? I like it. Tomorrow I'm gonna wear this guys, okay? Ayan, necklace regalo niya Pam sa akin. Ha?
I think you like the dress more.
Ha?
I think you like the dress more.
Why?
Because you were more excited with the dress.
You're really funny. O, tingnan mo, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Honey. Ang ganda ng regalo ni Honey na press. O, diba?
Can you bring it here so I can see it?
Yeah, I can bring that.